As an ancient monumental building, the ancestral hall serves as an important place for social interaction and clan connection. Nowadays, despite urban development and life changes, homeland and family remain a deep bond for people in Jiangyin and call for physical carriers and spiritual essence. To this end, through the overall planning of Yanlord's Tang Song and the collaboration of the master design team, including Li Weimin, Qiu Deguang, and Wu Bin, this ancient ancestral hall represents modern life while conveying the Jiangyin spirit of embracing the history and welcoming the future. The architecture drew inspiration from the exquisite, ancestral hall of the Zhu family. Having gone through the wear and tear of time, the building still stands high and proud, worthy of respect and protection. Built in the Qing dynasty, this building adopts the structure of official hall purlin beams and generates a sense of elegance. Its main functions unfold around the theater, the classic cornice stage, arch, and diagonal bracing, the delicate carvings of stones, woods, and bricks on the lintel, and the unparalleled patterns of drama, flowers, and birds carved in the frontal pillars. After restoration, the time-honored beauty regained its vitality. Li Weimin transformed the two-entry building into a three-entry one through courtyard splicing and introduced functional areas for negotiation and other purposes. He also opened a new entry on the wall side and a new corridor into the three-entry functional areas and reshaped the spatial axis. Through modern entry, one could peek into parts of the ancient building. In this sense, the present comes into use while the past emerges as its backdrop. Passing through the chamber brings one to the patio corridor of the ancient building. There, a glass box with modern vocabulary serves as a sand display zone in the patio space where the old and new axes meet. Beihai Courtyard gained its name from a poem by Su Xiaoke, a renowned adventurer in Jiangyin. The name delivers the perspective that home stands as a gift of return that embraces the heart of a wanderer who enjoys the passage of time in tranquility. There exists not a single pillar or frame in the almost transparent patio, except for the overhaul door. Only one stone remains half outdoors and half indoors, looking united yet independent. With the integration of the indoor and outdoor, the boundary disappears. Under such designs, green leaves are introduced into the space. However, instead of acting as a supporting role for the red flowers, the green leaves render one in poetic imagination. Planted walls, wine cellars, silk threads, and stone materials connect the space throughout the building in harmony with the lush greenery of the surrounding peaks. Natural landscape merges with modern life and integrates into one, thus providing a material carrier. The division of space consciously combines the landscape and the indoor. Along with light, scenery, and breeze, time seems to linger in whispers as one appreciates the seasonal flows. Direct lighting is adopted in important areas, indirect lighting is reserved for the ceiling, and auxiliary lighting is used to highlight the characteristics of the space. In this way, the fine-tuned lighting contributes to a gentle atmosphere for living and emotional resonance. In the mood shaped by light and shadow, the indoor materials come from nature. As a case in point, raw stones and wood, sculpted by skilled craftsmen, symbolize the tradition in a brand new way and present a contemporary interpretation of the local culture in the Jiangnan region, connecting historical images with emotional memories through warm designs.